Moly, Ron, that's what I told you. I don't.
Consistency, man. That's the name of the game, bro. If you keep going every single day and don't stop.
Cruising down the street and lost 6 4. Jocking the bitch.